SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Kuwait, specializing in providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With years of experience and expertise, SCON Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry, delivering high-quality BIM services to clients in Kuwait and beyond. As a BIM company, SCON Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs of its clients. These services include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction sequencing, and more. By utilizing advanced BIM software and technologies, the company ensures accurate and efficient project delivery, saving time and costs for clients. SCON Design India Private Ltd takes pride in its team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest BIM practices and methodologies. The company's team consists of architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver tailored solutions that meet their expectations. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India Private Ltd is its commitment to quality. The company follows rigorous quality control processes to ensure that every project meets the highest standards of accuracy and precision. By adhering to industry best practices and guidelines, SCON Design India Private Ltd ensures that its BIM services are reliable, efficient, and effective. In addition to its expertise in BIM, SCON Design India Private Ltd also offers comprehensive support throughout the project lifecycle. From initial concept development to final construction documentation, the company provides end-to-end BIM solutions that streamline the entire design and construction process. With a strong track record of successful projects in Kuwait and other parts of the world, SCON Design India Private Ltd has earned a reputation for delivering exceptional BIM services. The company's commitment to excellence. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Kuwait, specializing in providing high-quality building information modeling (BIM) services. With a strong focus on innovation and advanced technology, SCON Design India Private Limited has established itself as a trusted partner for clients in Kuwait and beyond. The company's expertise lies in using BIM to optimize the design, construction, and operation of buildings, enabling clients to achieve better efficiency and cost-effectiveness in their projects. As a BIM company, SCON Design India Private Ltd offers a comprehensive range of services that cover the entire lifecycle of a building project. From initial concept design to detailed engineering, construction documentation, and facility management, the company leverages the power of BIM to streamline processes and improve collaboration among stakeholders. By creating a virtual model of the building, SCON Design India Private Ltd enables clients to visualize and analyze their projects in a highly accurate and